Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can change country in iPhone without a payment method. Simply just have to just follow some steps to do that. Simply just have to just go to settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. If you didn't find a option where you can disconnect a VPN, just tap on the general and just scroll down and just go to the VPN and device management. Just tap on that, and here you just disconnect the VPN from here. And simply just have to just do that, and simply just have to just go to the general section and just scroll down and see there's an option language and region. Just tap on that and just go to the region section, and here you just have to select a region where you currently live. So I'm currently living in Pakistan, so you have to just select a Pakistan region from here. You don't have to change a region from here. So if you currently live in United States, just tap on that. If you currently live in any country, Oman, Qatar, Eritrea, any one country, just tap on that. Simply just after that setting, just you have to just go back and just go to the App Store and just go to profile section and just go to your account section of your Apple ID and just wait for a second. And you see that there's an option configuration. Just tap on that and just wait for loading. And here you just have to select the country which you want to do that. So I'm currently in Pakistan, so I'm gonna select I want to change a country, so I'm gonna select United Kingdom just like that. So I want to change a country to United States. Just tap on that and just continue it and just agree the agreement. Again agree it, and you see that they want your credit card details, so you don't have to tap on that. Just have to just select unknown. So here just tap again, retry, wait for a second, continue it, again agree, and just done it. And here you just have to detail tell and entering details of your billing address, just like street, city, state. You just simply just have to just select get the details in your from the Google account, from Google and in Chrome browser. And any randomly you have to just input the details of United States and just done it. So make sure that settings to change the region without payment method. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related